Hello everyone. Today we start working with Angular. For that we are going to use VS Code, which is a code editor. For development you can use any code editor you would like Sublime, Brackets or Atom. There are many more you can use. To install VS Code you can go to this website vscode.visualstudio.com. If you are on Windows or Ubuntu, you can get the option here. Mine is Ubuntu, so I have an option of downloading .deb and .rpm. If you are on Windows, you will get .exe file, and you can download and then install it. So after downloading VS Code, we can start our project. We have this VS Code over here. To create a new project, let me zoom it. Yeah, now it will be visible. To create a new project, we need to run a command ng new and the project name. Let's name this project as demo project and just click. Then it asks do you want routing? You can provide yes. This project we will use for all the development part that we are going to develop. So after a few more lecture we will talk about routing. For now, not now, let's we want to use CSS, yes, and then this. The project is initializing and the npm is installing all of our dependencies to running this project or the development. So by the time it is installing, we can see here, yes, you can see this is a src, the main source folder, and this is main.ts, where from where all of our in C we have main function, or in Java we have there also is a main function from where the whole application is started. So in case of Angular also we have this main.ts function, ts file, it's a TypeScript file from where all the process or this project is starts. Here we have a app folder where all of our source code is to be here, and it's our asset folder, and there we can go to app.component.html. we can start our server ng from ng serve command. Let's click. The this command is not available when running outside the working. Yes, so before running these ng serve command, we need to go to that folder, like it's demo project, and then we can run ng serve command, and this will run a development live server which provide a link which will be on localhost colon 4200, and 4200 is the port, and yeah, here it is this. So let's open this URL. Localhost and provided with 4200. This is our UI which is provided by Angular itself, and to start a server we need to run a command ng serve, and to terminate it we use control plus C. In this case, if I press control plus C, this will stop the live server. If you see here, it is not live now. We can start again with ng serve, and after that you can see this is app.component.html is responsible for the whole UI part. Means you have to in Angular, if you develop the UI, you need to define it in this app component.html part, and for the application logic we are defining it here in the TypeScript class. So let's check it again. Yes, and you don't need to refresh again and again to check what you have changed. So let's clear it out, and here we can provide h1, and here we can see the title, my first Angular project and the title, and even you can pass a paragraph. Hello world. As I save it, refresh, and this you can see here is the demo project. You can change it, or you can provide another variable like message, and you can pass hello world from class, and we can show this message over here. Let's show this message. As you can see, hello world from class. And we can also, like if we want to provide some css over it, we can do it in app.component.css. like if you want to provide some css to h1, and the color we're gonna use aqua, and if we save it, see the color of the h1 changes. So you can use this to provide css in this app.component.css. we provide all the styling parts. In app.component.html we write html codes, and in app.component.ts we provide the all logical parts or the variable that we use. Yeah, that's it for today. We will discuss all the component thing in the next lecture. For now, that's for today.